Hey folks, welcome back to my channel. Today I got something a little bit different for you. It's still for the rice cooker, but instead of using rice, we're going to use couscous. That's sort of a pasta. And we're going to put everything right into the freezer bag, so we put it in there, and then I'm going to put one portion into the rice cooker. We'll cook it up, and we'll give it a taste, see what it likes. What it's like. I can't even talk today. So, it's going to be a tropical chicken with couscous. So I've got some chicken tenders here. We're going to be using those, as well as just some other simple ingredients like soy sauce, ginger, and of course some pineapple. Now we're just pop everything into the bags, pop it into the rice cooker at the same time. Let me get my handy dandy little helper over here so I can fill up these bags. So the only thing that you're going to have to do when you get to your hotel room is to add some water to it when you pop it into your rice cooker. But let's get going here. So to start out with, we're going to put a half cup of couscous in the bag. I'll put a half cup into the rice cooker. I'll be able to do another bag here soon, but I'll get this one done first of all. Then we're going to put some sliced peppers. These are just some nice little sweet peppers that I got from a discount. So we'll put in a few of those. We're going to put in a quarter cup of mixed vegetables. This is just a frozen mixed vegetable. And we'll open up our pineapple here. Now, if you want, you can drain these off. You don't really have to. Just find myself a nice spoon here. Put some nice big chunks of pineapple in here. I'm gonna go about 3 spoonfuls. Let's see, we got about 7. There's 10 chunks of pineapple. A little bit of that juice in there. Now we'll go with some ginger. We're going to put in a half a teaspoon of ginger powder. And we're going to add some soy sauce. Get us a tablespoon of soy sauce in there. Try not to spill it all over the place here. Tablespoon of soy sauce. And then we'll put in some chicken tenders right on top there. These are nice sized chicken tenders. I think we'll put 3 in each bag. There we go. Now let's duplicate that in the rice cooker, but in the rice cooker I'm going to add my half cup of water. So you're cooking couscous, it's similar to rice, 1 to 1, so a half cup of couscous, half a cup of water. Go again with our quarter cup of veggies. Our sliced peppers. Oops, escapee! Throw in our pineapple chunks. Spoonful of that liquid. Go with a half teaspoon of dried ginger powder. Tablespoon of soy sauce. And throw in our chicken tenders on top. There we go, got 3 in there just on top. Then we'll pop that into the rice cooker and set it to cook for 1 cycle, and that should cook that all up. So I'll be back in a minute. I'm going to fill up the other bag, get those vacuum sealed and into the freezer. I'll bring over the rice cooker and we'll cook that up and see how she tastes. Okay, so we got a couple of portions packaged up to go into the freezer in our little vacuum bags here. I put what it is and the instructions there for my husband so he can make it when he gets to his hotel room. We got the other goods in that little rice cooker, like I said, and let's put that on to cook. We'll let that go through 1 cycle. We'll come back and take a look, see how it turned out. Okay, folks, so I got the tropical chicken in the rice cooker. It just finished its cycle. And one thing that I noticed is with only that ½ cup of water in there that we started the recipe with, it's a good thing we test this stuff, right? With a test recipe. The rice cooker stopped way too soon. When it went to warm the first time, I lifted the lid. Of course, the chicken wasn't cooked and it just wasn't right. So I mixed it up. And what I did is I added an extra ½ to 3/4 of a cup of water and then reset the cook cycle. And this time it actually cooked and steamed. So let's take the lid off because it's back to warm, and we'll take a look inside. We've got some steam. Let's break apart a piece of this chicken here and take a look at it. Woo! Come here, you little devil. That's hot. Yeah, chicken's flaking apart. It's cooked, so that's a good thing. The couscous is definitely cooked. So let's get us a plate, and we'll give it a taste test and see how this tropical chicken turned out. Gonna give it a bit of a mix, bring up that stuff from the bottom, mix it all in there, get that flavor mixed in there. Grab our little test plate here. Get a piece of chicken, some of that couscous, some of those vegetables and peppers in there. Oh, it's hot. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, that's fun. Get a piece of pineapple. Ooh, hot. Oh, turned out great. The couscous is nice and soft. Chicken is cooked perfectly. It's nice and tender. The vegetables are great. So tropical chicken, guys, in the rice cooker, a meal for one. Package it up for either the hotel room or make it at home. Meal prep. Here we go. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe. Please drop us a comment. Let me know what you think. Maybe even give me an idea. Maybe we can create a recipe together. Anyway, thank you, folks, and we'll see you in the next video.